Hello, people of Zion. Welcome to step 3 of 4 of my Investing in Cryptocurrency for Beginners series. This is where I talk all things wallets and I show you how to get your crypto the heck off an exchange and into a more secure software or hardware wallet. In this video, I'm going to show you guys step by step how to set up the software wallet Exodus. And if you want to know how to get your crypto off an exchange or from another wallet into Exodus, or how to sync its desktop app up with your phone so it's on 2 devices, or how to sync it up with the hardware wallet Trezor that it's partnered with so that you got a little bit extra security, you can watch the videos I did on that. But for now, let's set up the Exodus. Welcome back, the Oracle from the blockchain here, and happy to help guide you through the golden crypto country. Now remember, when it comes to discussing all these exchanges and wallets and things like that, I am not a rep. Okay, I cannot give you all the ins and outs of these products. I'm just here to show you how I did it so that you can see how it can be done. Okay, so without further ado, let's get to it. All right, to set up Exodus, pull it up in your search engine, and once at the Exodus homepage, click Get Exodus Now. Choose desktop or mobile. I chose desktop as I prefer to store it there. I downloaded the app, saving it to my computer desktop, clicked on it to open, got the installation confirmation and the Welcome to Exodus homepage. Next, you're gonna wanna make this wallet your precious by creating some secret keys for it. And these are in the form of a password and a recovery phrase. The secret password will be needed to access your wallet to begin with, and the recovery phrase, which is your wallet's unique 12 to 24 word code or key, which is needed to authorize any transactions, is what you will need to recover your wallet in the event that it is lost or no longer with you. All right, so to set up your password, go to the settings wheel and back up in dashboard. Setting up your 12-word recovery phrase will be found here too. And to get these words, you'll just hover over each number and the word will be revealed when you hover over the number. And you write down those words in order and you store it someplace safe. Now, just because no one is reading your blog or your online dating profile does not mean that that's a good place to post your password or recovery phrase. Nowhere online, not with your phone, no digital trace or anything. Write it down on a piece of paper like you back in the Stone Age and hide it somewhere in your house or in a safe or wherever. If nobody around you reads the Bible, maybe put it there. I just keep it safe and locked away. Then there's a paper backup option where you get to check that you've written down your recovery phrase correctly by picking one of your words out of a lineup of words that they give you. And then they'll give you an option to review it all again, review your secret phrase. And in order to do so, you'll have to input your password again. So if you want to do that, make sure you keep your password nearby. And just like that, you have your Exodus wallet all set up and ready to go. If you want to know how to sync the desktop app with your mobile device so that you can access this wallet from both places, feel free to check out that video. And if you want to know how to sync it to the hardware wallet it's partnered with, the Trezor, also check out that video. But in the meantime, remember that this is the Oracle from the blockchain, reminding you to eat a cookie.